All right, we're going on a little uploading rampage here, but the prototype is now finalized. The all-in-one phone stand and fan mount, and I think it looks sick. Instead of having it just go straight down, we kind of have this pyramid style to it, and I think it looks crisp. And instead of these pillars going all the way up here, we decided just to go two here, and it holds the fan nice and steady. And yeah, I'm gonna go set this up, and we're gonna go talk about it, and let's just see it go and see if it works. I already know it works. We've already seen it work in my other video, but I just want to see it go. I'm so excited. So let's do this. And there she is, all in her little glory there. I think it looks so good, and it keeps the phone so cool. Like, I think I remember saying in another video, my buddy runs the exact same phones, the cat phones, and he installed a thing that checks the temperature of them, and they're all sitting at 26, 27, with just this little 80 mil fan. And yeah, I think this looks great, and it's, oh. And if you have any like tips or anything you would like to add, you can, but I'm pretty sure I am going to keep it like this for a while. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I'm just too excited. It looks too good. The reason why I'm so excited about this is because I've had this video that I've been wanting to make for like 3 weeks now, and now it's finally coming into fruition. I just need to wait for 3 cat phones to arrive in the mail, and this video can finally happen. And if you like the single phone stand, I'll see if Altcoin Aardvark, my friend Cody, if he will upload the STL file. And yeah, it's awesome. I am so proud of it. I think it looks great. And I'll leave the link for the fan that I used in the description. But yeah, it's awesome. Guys, I wish I could tell you the video I am making for this. It's just gonna be too good. I'm too excited. I am just Anyways, this is a quick video. I just wanted to show off the non-prototype, the finalized. Let's call it the finalized single phone stand mount. So single phone fan stand mount. Single phone fan mount. Stand. There, I don't know what we're gonna call it. And all the affiliate links of all the items that I commonly buy, that I've bought a million times for my farm, will be down below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Leaving a like on this video helps a lot. Leaving a comment on this video helps a lot. And once again, thanks for the support from everyone. I am growing in subscribers way faster than I thought I ever would, and it's a dopamine rush, and I am super thankful for all of you, and I am super thankful for all of you to be on this journey with me, and that is why I want to show you guys this video coming up, but I just can't. Oh, all right. Bye.